Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. Light green color, brown color, orange color, violet color, green color, yellow color, orange color, M. M for mango, M for monkey. Yellow color, N. N for necklace, N for nest. Light green color, O. O for octopus, O for owl. Green color, P. P for parrot, P for pig. Brown color, Q. Q for queen, Q for quilt. Violet color, R. R for rain, R for rainbow. M. M for mango, N for necklace, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat. Thank you.